Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to install a front fender, mudguard, whatever you want to call it. I leave it in the packaging because I don't want to damage the nice shiny chrome. So this is the area where I'm going to work. And the holes of this Yamaha mudguard front fender is not correct because they are too wide from each other. I need something like that is a lot smaller. So what I'm going to do, I know the height of these holes are perfect, so I make a line between them. Nicely, almost not to see, but I see a line in the middle. What did I remember? 52, 26, 26, 26. Oh, that's not the middle. Yes, there's the middle. The holes are 42 wide and they have a special sleeve made, but it's not what I'm going to use. 42. Should be working. That means I have 21 to the left and 21 to the right. From the middle position. That's one line there. Oh. There's also a line there. That has to be 42. It doesn't seem like that, but I will measure it out. Yes. Looks fine. I had pressed a wooden block between them, and now I need a center point. And that was the only tool I did not prepare. There's not a center point. Oh, it's always the same story. When I need something, it is gone. That's the one I'm looking for. Okay. A normal hammer. It's chrome plated, so it is very hard to drill. Use a good sharp drill, a new one please. Then I drill a hole 6.5 mil. Now you understand why I leave the packaging on it, because you get all markings, scratchings, and I want to have a nice chrome layer. And it doesn't seem right. I do not know. I checked it, it was right. And now it is wrong. What I'm doing wrong. It's not the biggest problem. You can make the sleeve longer by file. I don't understand. This one is not correct. Gives a wrong reference. Maybe that one is from a JL 500. It's bigger. But this should work, so go to the other side. Same story. First I want to know what is the middle. It's 52. 52 is 21. Find the middle. No, that's not good. 26. Sorry. There's the middle. I have found the middle, but I'm doing nothing with the middle. I want a nice clear line between the holes. Seems right. Then it's 21 because it's 22, it's 50, it's 21. 21. So that should be right. Sure. It's 42. Seems to be okay. Six and a half. So I'm missing something. Strange. This is not good. Almost there, not right. I need I completely do not understand what I've done wrong. I measured it. Almost there. Doesn't matter. I take a file and then I will file it out. That's better. I think this one hole is not good, but don't worry. We'll come there. Repairing things is my strongest point, but making things is difficult for me. But I come there. Almost there. So, let me check again. That's fine. That will do for me. And when something is not fixed right, I always can change or can make the holes bigger to make it fit. Fine. Okay. I do believe it's time to install this front fender. Remember, this is not a Honda part. Honda does not deliver or make those parts, so I have to find something else. What looks like a normal fender of Honda. Almost always a little bit difficult, and I hope it will fit very well. So you have seen I had made a drilling mistake a little bit, not quite good centered or whatever it is. Oh, that one is difficult. Maybe it's not correct, but later on I can adjust the holes a little bit and give it some more clearance. But for the moment I think it looks nice. And I want to show you what I have done and how it looks like. I'm pretty sure it looks very nice. Let me show you. I will take off the camera. Now you know why I leave the packaging on, because fingers, when I go over with a cloth to clean it, you will damage the surface. Look at the side. Look between. And you would not know, even this hole for the speedometer is exactly the same, and also the edge around it. It does work. You can sell them or you can buy them. I have them on my site, but you have to do it like that. Maybe you can drill better than me, I hope, but I have shown you when you make a mistake, it's not all gone. You can use the front fender, mudguard, whatever. Now I'm going to install the wheel. Next movie. I'm rebuilding this bike again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.